Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If you'd like a tasty and healthy side but are short on time, get ready to be impressed by this minimal effort recipe. I had leftover sweet potatoes after making another recipe. I turned them into simple air-fried sweet potato cubes. I peel the sweet potatoes and cut them into cubes. I rinse, drain, pat them dry and season. I'm using paprika, mixed herbs, garlic salt, black pepper and olive oil. However, feel free to use your preferred spice combination or just use salt and pepper to keep it simple. I ran out of garlic powder, which I prefer to use, so I used garlic salt instead. Though I'm eyeballing the ingredients, I've added rough estimates for reference purposes. Once everything is well coated, I air fry them for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. I shake the basket and air fry for 5 minutes at the same temperature. I made the mistake of increasing the temperature to 200 degrees in the last 2 minutes. Avoid doing this, especially when making a small batch. Doing this burnt the sweet potatoes. Despite this small hiccup, these turned out well. They make a great snack idea, but can also be served as a side dish. I still chose to share this recipe because cooking, especially with air fryers, sometimes takes a lot of trial and error before you get the hang of things. I hope you enjoyed this video and give this recipe a try. If you try it, let us know in the comments section how yours turned out. Please like and subscribe if you like simple recipes, and I'll see you all next time.